Backfeeding refers to the process where electricity flows back from a local generation source, such as solar panels or generators, into the electric grid. Backfeeding can occur when the following conditions are met. Firstly, a local generation source is connected to the grid. Secondly, the voltage and frequency of the generated electricity match or exceed that of the grid. Thirdly, the grid is not able to absorb the excess electricity produced locally. Backfeeding can pose safety hazards to grid workers, utility equipment, and nearby residents. It can also interfere with the reliability and stability of the electric grid. To prevent backfeeding, the following measures can be implemented. Firstly, anti-islanding protection, where devices are installed to detect and disconnect the local generation source from the grid if a grid outage occurs. Secondly, power factor control, where generators are equipped with controllers to adjust the power factor and prevent overvoltage conditions. Thirdly, automatic throttle control, where generators can be equipped with automatic throttle controls to reduce their output power when the grid voltage increases. Fourthly, coordination with the utility, where utilities monitor grid conditions and coordinate with local generation sources to prevent backfeeding. Backfeeding can result in, firstly, safety hazards such as electric shocks, electrocution, and property damage. Secondly, grid stability issues such as voltage fluctuations, interruptions, and equipment damage. Thirdly, utility penalties, where some utilities impose penalties on customers who backfeed into the grid. Fourthly, warranty voiding, where backfeeding can void warranties on generators and other equipment. Backfeeding is typically regulated by local building codes and utility regulations. It is important to comply with these regulations to ensure safety and avoid potential penalties.